Hello, West Point Society members. On this video, we're going to go over Sallyport memberships and rosters. This tutorial will help you add different membership types to your group page and also run roster reports. Now, please note that members are automatically added based on their county radius and include graduates, associate members, friends of West Point, widows and widowers, and anyone who has opted into your society roster. You will have different access based on if you are a graduate or another membership type. Once again, you will need group administrator rights, so you're going to go to your group page. Now, please make sure the memberships feature is activated. To get started, click on your cover picture, and on the top user tabs, go over to where it says memberships. And this is where you will see your list of membership programs. Now, keep in mind, you might not have anything there yet, but in the top right corner, it says new type of membership, so click that. And this is where you will begin to create a membership for your group. Your membership can be monthly, annually, or a lifetime membership. You will name each membership and describe it. For instance, I can do an annual membership. And once again, you can use the toolbar up top to format your description in any way, including hyperlinks. Next, you will add a price to your membership, and you will add the period for your membership. It can be a lifelong membership, monthly, or by the year, which we are doing here. And your renewal options. You can choose to make an automatic renewal, or you can even select the last month that the membership is good for. Now, for your visibility settings, you want to make sure you click display for everybody to see, or if you want to restrict visibility to only certain members. Once you have determined your visibility, scroll back up and click form, and your success page will read the message displayed once a membership has been processed. Once you are done creating your success page message, click save, and it will bring you back to your membership programs list. And as you can see, Sallyport Test Membership Annual is down here at the bottom. Now, you do want to make sure that display sign is checked off for other people to see it. Next, we are going to click the Users tab, and this is how you will run roster reports. It will show a users list of everybody in your group. You can search by first or last name, or if you click Show Filters, you can filter out your search based on many categories, including affiliation or class year, or membership type or status. Now, if you scroll back up top and click Export Users, this will bring you to another page in which you can filter your search further. This page will have even more fields for you to narrow down your search, including everything from first last name, contact information, cadet activities, constituency codes, cadet companies, ranks, etc. And once you have narrowed down your search and selected the field you would like, click Download File. Once the file is downloading, it will say in progress, and the page will change once it has completed. Once it says completed, click Download, and it will download an Excel file to your computer. You can open this Excel file, and it will have all the information from all the fields you have selected. Now, if you go back to Sallyport, back to your group page, once again, you will see your memberships list, and you can edit any membership type you have made by clicking the Edit button, and it will take you back to the page where you initially created this membership, and you can edit all the description, the payment amount, and the success page messages. Please do not forget to click Save every time you edit your membership programs. And this is how you create different membership types and run roster reports through your group on Sallyport Online. Thank you.